Hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh. Students, today we are providing IBPS SO Marketing Mains Power Capsule for the 2025 exam. So in this Power Capsule, there are 640 most important MCQs with answers and explanations, right? So let me tell you the topics that we are going to cover. We are going to start with the marketing management, the basics of marketing management, the scope, environment, planning, strategies, control mechanisms, types of marketing, product focus, product life cycle, product planning, branding, packaging, labeling, distribution, new product development, promotion. It includes advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, PR, direct online marketing, brand and strategy, brand management, competitive strategy, holistic marketing, advanced techniques like global marketing, value chain, CSR, and digital tools. Marketing awareness, topics like popular brands, CEOs, acquisitions, campaigns, and latest banking products. Moving forward with the strategic management, we are going to cover fundamentals, concept types, levels, forms, and process of strategy, external analysis like PESTEL, ETOP, Quest, Porter's 5 forces model, impact matrix, strategic group mapping, internal analysis. We are going to cover topics like competitive advantage, CSF, value chain, benchmarking, SWOT, SFAS, SAP. Strategies, business strategies like generic move, first mover, cooperative, industry life cycle, corporate strategies like growth, stability, retrenchment, combination, turnaround. We are going to cover all that. So portfolio tools, BCG matrix, IE, GE, McKinsey, experience curve, grand strategy matrix, space matrix, implementation and control, change and incentives. We are going to cover McKinsey's 7S model, managing change, barriers, models, requirements for strategic change. Moving forward, even marketing research is important. We have prepared roughly 75 questions from marketing research. So you'll be getting the basics of marketing research, research problems, approaches, research design, data and analysis, secondary data, data mining, geodemographics, CRM, big data, web analytics, qualitative research, approaches, and then techniques we are going to cover, focus groups, interviews, projective method analysis, quantitative methods like surveys, observation, casual research, experimentation, validity, test marketing, measurement, scaling methods, the types of scales, scale evaluation, questionnaire designs, sampling and techniques, various kinds of sampling, distribution, hypothesis testing, and error types, advanced analysis, factor and cluster analysis, multi-dimensional scaling, conjoint analysis. We are going to cover all that. Forecasting, qualitative and quantitative methods, time series, regression, correlation, seasonal adjustment, accuracy measures. So we are going to move forward with the consumer behavior, although it is not that important, but there can be like 2-3 questions from consumer behavior. So we are going to cover that. Roughly 40-50 questions are there from consumer behavior. So psychological drivers like motivation, ability, opportunity, perception, comprehension, sensory marketing, memory, knowledge, learning, attitude and decisions, i.e. low effort attitude change, decision making process, organizational buying, consumer problems, post-purchase experiences, satisfaction, dissatisfaction, response, product disposition, social and cultural factors, psychographics. We are going to cover value, personalities, life cycles, lifestyles, innovation, adoption versus resistance, diffusion, fashion system. We are going to cover all that, right? Symbolic behavior and possessions, economics, links. We are going to cover that. Demand, supply, production theory, market structure, and consumer decision making. We are going to cover that. So we are going to cover the digital marketing as well, which is very important. Questions from a lot of questions were there in the previous year paper from digital marketing. So foundation and concepts, strategy and models, various terms we are going to cover. Product, price, place, promotion, people. Basically, we are going to cover SEO, ACM, various tools used in the digital marketing. For example, A/B testing, betas. We are going to cover that. various types of campaigns and tools, tools like email marketing, social media marketing, affiliate, mobile marketing, online PR. We are going to cover that. Various kinds of analytical tools used in the digital marketing. We are going to cover that. So list of our successful students in the previous year papers. All these students that took our course in the previous years and they cracked their IBPS SO Marketing 2022, 2023, 2024 exams. You can download, you can actually read. You can read the IBPS SO Marketing Power Capsule. Link is available in the description. Read it there. So it's available on BankExamsToday.com. IBPS SO Marketing Power Capsule is available. Please read it. Please go through it. If there is any doubt in your mind, please ask your doubts and we are going to answer all your doubts. And that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. My WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number where you can ask your doubts and go through the Power Capsule. It's really, really important. We have put in a lot of efforts for you. बहुत सारा effort करा हमने आपके लिए. Go through it. It's really important. That's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.